Grammar talks. Modal verbs. Can, could, must, would. To talk about permission or command, show possibility, express ability, or make requests and offers. Include. Can, cannot, can't, could, could not, couldn't, must, would. Permission. For example, you can't arrive late for school. Command. For example, we must wash your hands before cooking. Possibility. For example, we can make bread with eggs. Ability. For example, can you play the violin? I couldn't walk when I was 1. Requests, offers. For example, would you like a cup of coffee? We would like mango pudding, please. Let's play. 3, 2, 1, go. Write the correct modal verbs and choose the correct form of the verbs. Answer. 1. You must keep quiet in the hospital. 2. Katie couldn't walk last week because she broke her leg. 3. Would you like something to eat? Let's play. 3, 2, 1, go. These sentences have the wrong verb in them. Write the correct verb. Answer. 1. I would like lemon tea, please. 2. Jack couldn't wash his hair by himself when he was 4. 3. Jenny isn't interested in music. She can't play the violin. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe.